I'm in your city tonight, and these lights make me feel so inspired.
I've really been like going back and forth with what I'm about to film for my first video and putting out my first video for 2023 because this is a new year and, you know, I have new goals and like things that I want to accomplish. And it's been a little interesting to say the least. Honestly, though, I feel like this sit down face-to-face thing is like what I'm best at. So for 2023, I don't really have a lot of planned yet. Starting off a little rough already. But I do have several goals, which is, you know, a good step in the right direction, I like to think. Some of my goals include growing my platforms, which that means here, Instagram, just here on Instagram, really. Like, my Twitter is just for kind of like, for me. Let me stop here and say, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so you do get notified when I post. Focusing more on my well-being. So whether that be like going to the gym, cooking a little more, journaling, meditating, that's something that I'm gonna like spend a lot of time on in 2023 and a lot of like focus on because I need to. Being a more well-rounded person. So that includes like being a more well-rounded person like for myself, for my partner, for my dogs, for my siblings, just for everyone. That's something that I'm really going to focus on because I need to do. This thing is just living in my truth. That's something that's like super important and then I've just really been working on, and I feel like I can do that by things like doing my hair and like stuff like that because they like really help me just like live in the person that I am and not feel like really down or defeated or anything like that. I'm not sure if a lot of people know this, but this channel was made for me to document my own personal growth in my life, and it's something that in the upcoming year I am really gonna like lean back more into, going on adventures and like discovering life and getting back to like how my channel, you know, is or was. Thank you for everyone who has been watching me experience my chaotic life so far, and I'm looking forward to the new adventures ahead. I know that I said that I don't have a lot of plans for this year, but there are some big things happening this year. I'm super excited to share with you guys, so make sure that you are subscribed so you are stayed tuned for those videos. Yeah, I'm wishing you guys all more life in this new year coming up, and I'm excited to see like, you know, where we're going, and very thankful for where we've been. That's all, Pimps and Simps. I love you guys, and I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.